GDPR. Being the standardized data protection law, General Data Protection Regulation directs a wide range of legislation passed by the European Union, EU, to secure and maintain the privacy of the personal data of EU citizens. Data Protection Law. This law watches the UK businesses incorporate GDPR principles, adopt adequate data security strategies and technical measures to protect from the personal data leakage of the EU citizens. Who does the GDPR apply to? It applies to both data processors and data controllers, therefore, legally holds them liable in case of personal data breaches. How does GDPR define personal data? It refers to personal data as any information relating to an identified or identifiable natural person. Example of personal data. 1. A name, or an email address. 2. ID card number. 3. Home address or location data. The Data Protection Principles. 1. Lawful, fairness and transparency. 2. Purpose limitation. 3. Data minimization. 4. Accuracy. 5. Storage limitation. 6. Integrity and confidentiality. 7. Accountability.